Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making naughty and nice cracker bars. They are truly a sweet and salty delight. We start out with a sleeve of club crackers, a stick of butter, and the butter will get melted on the stove. You bring it to a boil and then add the sugar. Don't have the heat up too high. And make sure you keep stirring it. Okay, that's 2 minutes now. Remove from the heat. Add your vanilla. And the magic happens. Stir it around and let it just cool a little bit. Now slowly and gently pour it onto the crackers. There's no need to spread it around because when you put it in the oven, it will melt even more. Still warm, your slivered almonds. A slivered almond. And give it a little shake. I think I will move these over a little bit. Okay, now put them in the oven for 12 minutes. Ah, these are perfect. 12 minutes. Now they have to cool for just a few minutes. Now that the crackers are out of the oven, you gotta let them rest for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then, very gently, remove them from the pan with a fork and put them onto a wire rack. If you let them cooled too completely, they will stick to your pan. And that's not any fun, because it's happened to me. And notice how when you make these bars, you lose some of the almonds along the way. Well, they are really yummy, and you can retrieve them, put them in a little plastic bag, and save them for your salad. Because if you're eating these Nutty cracker bars, you're going to be eating salad too. The thing I like about these Nutty cracker bars is they're so easy. They don't take a lot of time. They don't make a lot of mess. There's no mixing bowl. And I like baked goods, but I'm not really a good baker. I'm telling you this right now. Well, here they are, the Nutty and Nice cracker bars. And we got a nice little bag of almonds left over for your salad. Now, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And subscribe. That's important.